purpose of Employee 2.0 is to provide job training opportunities and job opportunities for adults with disabilities. And then what we do is we partner with different San Antonio businesses to identify, are you hiring and what are you hiring for? So they're doing jobs that are based off of the RK Catering company. So there's front of house and back of house. Front of house is looking at customer service, carrying trays, serving people, doing appetizers. Back of house is food prep, making sure that they're doing inventory. We also have flower arranging, we have linen folding and ironing. There's a wide range of things that they're doing. Our goal is to just really find as many people who are interested in getting a job and then training them to be able to apply for the job.
It makes my heart feel really full to see people like instantly like want to try new things, but also want to like learn different like tasks.
One of the things that I've been most interested in working on with this grant is demystifying what disability looks like. And a lot of times I had questions like, well, how are they going to work? Or who's going to watch them? I'm like, what? They're going to work on their own. Like, they're all able to do different tasks.
It kind of opens like a new like story for other people to kind of see themselves as, okay, well, I can do different things. I'm not going to be in this box.
I think anyone can do a job with the right supports. Sometimes it's hard to put your best foot forward if you have a communication difference or something along those lines. And so when we get to actually show the results of our training, like have that hard data that shows that they can do the tasks, I think a lot of our employers are really impressed with our participants that we refer out.
To see their faces, to see that they can do these tasks, oh my gosh, they light up. They're already asking more questions like, okay, so when can I start this training? When can I be connected to other employers? And so it's benefiting like the entire society overall because of that.